If you're ever walking alone at night and notice a small puppy in the middle of the road, playing with a red balloon, freeze. Do not speak. Do not get closer. That balloon isn't real. The puppy isn't alive either. You've crossed paths with something lost. Listen carefully to survive this night. Watch the balloon carefully. If it rises when you take a step, you may continue. If it sinks, step back slowly. Something nearby has already noticed you. When you reach it, take the string gently. Once you're holding it, don't let go. No matter what shifts around you, you'll pass familiar things, mailboxes, parked cars, empty playgrounds. Ignore every voice calling the puppy's name, especially if the voice sounds exactly like yours. Final rule: you'll find a door marked with chalk paw prints. Tie the balloon to the handle. Say softly, "You made it." If the puppy walks through without turning back, you're safe. If it stops, if it looks at you, run.